We are back after a long but much needed break. Tonight we are making Mediterranean bowls. We're going to start by prepping our veggies. We have cucumbers, tomatoes, bell peppers, and red onions. You can cook your rice however you'd like. I decided to add lemon, bouillon, and Old Bay seasoning. Now for the meat. You can do whatever meat you want. We chose chicken thighs. I patted them dry and seasoned them with garlic and Old Bay seasoning. Spray down a hot pan with avocado oil and cook until they have a nice crust on them. When they get that crust, flip them over. Once everything is cooked, go ahead and add it to your bowl. You can add whatever veggies you'd like. We added lettuce and all of the prepped veggies from before. We also added chopped Kalamata olives and topped with crumbled feta cheese. For the sauce, we did some tzatziki, hummus, juice from the olives, and some lemon juice. And that's how we do the Mediterranean bowl.